Have you ever felt like the world is pulling you down? Like everyone around you knows exactly how to drag you back into your old ways? What if I told you there's a powerful way to disappear, not physically, but mentally and emotionally, so you can transform into the best version of yourself in just 6 months? Imagine re-emerging so unrecognizable that people don't even recognize who you've become. But here's the catch: when you do, you won't even care, because the only opinion that matters will be your own. Ready to take that journey? Let's dive into how you can do this, step by step. How to disappear the right way. Step 1. Silence is your power. The first step to disappearing is to shut your mouth. Seriously. Silence is your greatest ally in this transformation. Most of us talk too much about our lives, our dreams, our problems, our progress. But here's the truth. The more you talk, the more others find ways to hold you back. You might think sharing your plans with friends or family will help, but in reality, it invites criticism, jealousy, and doubt. Starting today, make a vow to speak less about your life. Even with close friends or coworkers, keep your goals and dreams to yourself. If you're lucky enough to have a life partner who genuinely supports you, that's your only exception. But even then, you need to train yourself to control your tongue. The less people know about your plans, the easier it will be to move in silence and grow without unnecessary distractions. Step 2. Reprogram your mindset. The second step to disappearing is to stop caring about what anyone else thinks. Think about it. How many decisions do you make based on other people's opinions? Now, it's time to flip that mindset completely. Instead of focusing on what others might say, create a version of you in your mind and make that person the only critic that matters. What would you think of your own progress? Are you proud of the person you're becoming? This mindset shift takes time, but it's crucial to disappearing successfully. You need to become obsessed with pleasing yourself, not others. When you stop being a puppet of societal expectations, you'll find yourself more in control of your life than ever before. Step 3. Keep your plans to yourself. Now that you're quiet and focused, it's time to hide your plans. On this journey, you're going to come up with exciting goals and ideas. You'll feel the urge to share them. Resist that temptation. Every time you talk about your goals, you're leaking energy and reducing the chances of accomplishing them. Imagine each time you share a piece of your plan, you lose 5% of your momentum. If you need guidance or advice, be extremely selective. Choose the right person, reveal only what's necessary, and then disappear again. The more you keep your goals locked away, the higher your chances of smashing them. Step 4. Keep your progress hidden. As you begin to make progress, the urge to show off will grow stronger. You'll notice your body improving, your skills sharpening, or your finances increasing. But remember this: your transformation isn't about impressing others. Disappearing means you keep that progress hidden. No one needs to know about your achievements until you've fully transformed. Showing off your improvements halfway through your journey will set you back. The real power lies in continuing to grind, even when you want to show the world how far you've come. Don't break the silence just because things are going well. The shadows are where your true strength grows. Step 5. Embrace your pain in private. Transforming yourself in 6 months isn't going to be easy. You'll face obstacles, feel defeated, and want to give up at times. But here's a crucial part of disappearing. You have to hide your pain. When you're physically exhausted, mentally drained, or emotionally broken, you must learn to heal yourself in private. Cry if you need to. Scream into the wind if that's what it takes. But do it alone. The more you embrace the struggle in silence, the more resilient you'll become. Every tear, every moment of pain will be what pushes you to the next level. Let that pain transform you in ways that comfort never could. Part 2. What to do in the shadows. Just set clear targets. Now that you've disappeared, it's time to set your targets. What exactly do you want to achieve in these 6 months? Whether it's building a business, transforming your body, or mastering a skill, you need to be specific. Write down your goals and make them crystal clear. But remember, keep them hidden from the world. Having vague dreams isn't enough. You need to break your goals into smaller, actionable steps. The more clarity you have, the more unstoppable you become. Place reminders of these goals where only you can see them. This will keep you focused, but still in the shadows. Design your life around success. If you want to transform yourself in 6 months, every aspect of your life needs to align with your goals. Your daily habits, your environment, and even your relationships should support your mission. It's not enough to just hope things will change. You need to obsess over it. Revolve your life around your transformation. Move closer to the gym if fitness is your goal. Take classes that sharpen your skills. Time box your days so that every hour is working toward crushing your targets. Track your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Be ruthless with your time and energy. Step 3. Reprogram your mind for success. To truly transform, you'll need to rewire your brain. It's not just about reaching your goals. It's about falling in love with the process. Disappearing from the world might feel strange at first, but over time you'll begin to enjoy the solitude, the focus, and the relentless drive toward your new self. As you reprogram your mind, you'll discover a deep satisfaction in crushing it behind the scenes. The noise of the world will no longer affect you. You'll become addicted to the grind, to the shadows, and to the quiet power you're building. Happiness won't come from validation anymore. It'll come from knowing you're transforming into someone extraordinary. Part 3. How to reappear. Decide whether you need to reappear. After 6 months of intense work in the shadows, you might feel ready to reemerge. But here's the twist. Once you've mastered this process, you might not care about reappearing at all. The world's validation won't mean as much anymore. You'll find peace in the fact that you've transformed for yourself, not for others. If you do decide to reappear, do it with purpose. Let your transformation speak for itself. But remember, the real victory is the internal change. By now, you'll have discovered a new version of yourself that no one can take away.